Hi everyone, I am Sofía Landeros Basurto. I am 26 years old and I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to apply to this Schneider development program. I am a chemical engineer, graduated from Tecnológico de Monterrey in June 2020, and I have a master's degree from the same university. It's a master's in science and engineering, and I just graduated this past June. I also love learning new skills and new languages. So, aside from English and Spanish, I also speak French and German. And I also love learning new programming skills. So, I am well versed in Python and R, which are two main programming languages. And I love to tell you my story. I had an international experience in the United Kingdom in the University of Exeter. I did a semester in this university and I worked on extractive metallurgy and renewable energies. And it was a very interesting experience because it was my first deep dive into what you would consider a supply chain with regards of energy projects. So this project in particular was a consultancy project to introduce an entire grid of renewable energy in an island located in the English Channel. And that was like my first introduction into this type of areas, working on like the supply chain and all these interesting topics. But it was really during my internship at Bocados that I actually started working in logistics, and that's when I was fully introduced into the supply chain, and that's where my interest in this area grew. Bocados is a snack company that belongs to Arca Continental, and this company sells all different kinds of snacks. And my main activities were working on optimization projects in the logistic areas, more specifically in raw materials. And this type of optimization projects were focused on optimizing the supply chain in ways that we could save money and also reduce the environmental impact. From my past experiences, I believe that I would be a very good fit for this position and in the company in general because I have very similar interests to what the company is looking for with regards to supply chain and also optimization projects within the supply chain. So I think I have the background from that, but also I like that our values are aligned because obviously Schneider Electric supports research and development and also is very committed to work on the sustainable development goals of the United Nations and fights climate change. So I think in this regard, obviously our values align. And I also believe that I have a lot to bring to the table. So I would really like it if you consider me going forward.